Hello everyone, welcome to RJ Learning Fun. Here learning is always fun. In our previous video we have learned about three personal pronouns, that is he, she and it. Here he is used for anyone male, she is used for anyone female and it pronoun is used in place of one animal or thing. We see that these pronouns are used in place of only singular noun. So today we will learn about the pronoun which we can use when talking about plural nouns. And that pronoun is they. Let's learn they. Ranjan is big, Anil is small. They are in same class. Who are in same class? Ranjan and Anil. So in place of Ranjan and Anil, we have used the pronoun they. They are friends. Who are friends? Ranjan and Anil. So Ranjan and Anil, they are plural nouns, and in place of these two nouns, we have used the pronoun they. Let's read some more sentences. Anuj stands with a ball. Raju runs with a bat. They play in the park. They love cricket. Who love cricket? Anuj and Raju. So these two nouns are replaced by one pronoun, that is they. It is a monkey. It is a cow. They are animals. They are looking at you. So they pronoun can replace the plural animals also. So we can use the pronoun they in place of plural objects or plural animals, as well as plural males, plural females, any plural nouns. Let's do some exercises. Fill in the blanks with he, she, it or they. Rohit goes to the school. Dash studies in class 2nd. So, who studies in class 2nd? Rohit. In place of Rohit, we have used the pronoun he. Aditi is a sweet girl. Dash sings very well. Who? Aditi. And Aditi is a girl. So which pronoun will you use? Yes, she. She sings very well. I have a parrot. Dash eats green chilies. So who eats green chilies? Parrot. And parrot is an animal, singular animal. So we will use it. It eats green chilies. My mother is a housewife. Dash cooks tasty food. My mother, singular female. So she cooks tasty food. Number 5. Reema and Seema are best friends. Dash play in the park. Who? Reema and Seema. 2 plural proper nouns. So plural, that's why they play in the park. Qutub Minar is a tall building. Dash is in Delhi. What? Qutub Minar. Object. That's why it is in Delhi. I love my parents. Dash love me too. Who? My parents. Plural nouns. That's why they. So they can come in place of proper nouns as well as common nouns. They love me too. My uncle is a doctor. Dash goes to the hospital. Who goes? My uncle. Singular male. So he goes to the hospital. So today you have learned the use of which pronoun? They. They can come in place of plural female, plural male, plural objects or group of male and female also. Who are these you and I? These are also personal pronouns which we will learn in our next video. Till then, bye. Thank you. Stay tuned in.